सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 9, page 421, verse 146. Nirgunopasti samarthyat tatra tattvamavekshate punaravartate nayam kalpante cha vimuchyate. The same topic we are seeing on Wednesday and Thursday. Yesterday also we saw the topic of Kramamukti. Today also Vidyaranya talking about Kramamukti only. That means Lord Krishna and Vidyaranya, both of their teaching is very, very similar. You can see the consistency of our acharyas in their teaching, that which has given in our Vedas. One of the main important feature of traditional teaching is consistency. There should not be any contradiction, either previous teaching or later teaching. There must be a consistency, uniformity in teaching. The Kramamukti is mentioned in our Upanishads that Vidyaranya is bringing here. Two types of muktis are presented in our Shastra. Sadhyo Mukti or Jivan Mukti. For that we are all meant for. We are all studying Shastra for Sadhyo Mukti or Krama Mukti. Who decides? The student only has to decide. I am a Krama Mukti student or Sadhyo Mukti student. Sadhyo Mukti means Jivan Mukti. While living here itself, I want to attain moksha. I don't want to postpone. That is Sadhyo Mukti or Jivan Mukti. Vidyaranya mentioned that only. From the beginning, he is all acharyas voting for Sadhyo Mukti only, not for Krama Mukti. Krama Mukti is only for Manda Madhyama Adhikaris. All students are not like you, the Uttama Adhikaris. So all students are seekers. Because of one reason or other, they are not able to do vichara here. All of them won't get a teacher. Even they get teacher also, they should get the proper teaching. Even they get proper teaching also, they must be free from all obstacles to assimilate the teaching. Shreyamsi bhahu vignani. For Shreyas, moksha sake, there are so many obstacles. You have to cross all of them and you have to attain Sadhyo Mukti is a Manushyanam Sahasreshu, as Lord Krishna said. But at the same time, Acharyas or Upanishads never want to disappoint Manda Madhyama Adhikaris, because they are also striving, they are also having interest. They are also religious, they are also having lot of qualifications, but they are not capable of doing vichara. Vichara samarthyam is not there because of intellectual weakness, some other problems. For them, Kramamukti is recommended. That is the topic of this chapter, Samvadi Brahmarupa Nididhyasanam or meditation, Upasana. So Acharya says, this 144th shloka, second line, is the commentary of 146. Here 146 is the commentary upon 144th second line. I said in the last class. Nirgunopastihi samarthyat tatra. Nirgunopasti samarthyat. Because of that capacity of Nirguna Brahma Upasanam. Upasti means Upasanam. Samarthyat, by the power of that Upasana. Tattvam avekshate. The Upasaka attain knowledge there in Brahmaloka. Already said that point in the previous verse. He attains Tattva Jnanam, Brahmaloka he goes. After going there, Tattvam avekshate. He claims Aham Brahma Asmi. Tattvam means the reality, the truth. Avekshate. He claims, he owns up that I am Brahman. Therefore, I am kalpante cha vimuchyate. Kalpante, kalpasya antaha kalpantaha tasmin kalpante. At the time of the end of that kalpa, when that Brahmaji turn is over, that Brahmaji's lifespan of that post, for that Jiva, Brahmaji Jiva completes his Brahma's post. Like 5 years, Prime Minister, again they have to come. Here they can come, but there they cannot come. Brahmaloka, Brahmaji cannot contest second time. Natural right, Chuma. Okay, here the Prime Minister can contest and come again as a Prime Minister, second term, third term, fourth term. But in Brahmaloka, that Brahmaji, after seeing that Brahmaji post, I don't want to come again. Another exalted Jiva becomes Brahmaji. He gets that post. So until that time, this Upasaka, Ucha Upasaka, Jnani Upasaka or Ajnani Upasaka, he is very good, 100 marks. You are all very good students. He became Jnani, therefore he is no more a Upasaka, really speaking. We can call, through Upasana he has come to that Jnanam status, we can call him Upasaka Jnani. Correct? That Upasaka Jnani, he attains Videha Mukti at Kalpanta. Not only that, Vidyaranya says, Punaha na avartate na ayam this Upasaka will not come back. Punarapi jananam nasti. He is not having janma once again. Punara vartate na. He will not come back, he will not take another birth. That itself shows he attains Kramamukti. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next page, 422, page number, verse 147. Pranamopastaya prayah Nirguna eva vedagaha Pati sagunatapyukta pranavopasanasya hi. Now Vidyaranya says, see, the acharyas, the traditional acharyas are those acharyas in keeping with the Vedic Upanishadic support all the time. As long as you are within that track of the Upanishadic statements, Pramanam, you will not go wrong, you will not go haywire. You will be in the groove. Just like a train is always must be on the groove of that track. If it slips off, there is a danger. Like that, Upanishadic support is always there. That's why we have to be well versed in Upanishads. Thoroughly we have to study. We saw 6 Upanishads here. Even many other Upanishads I took in Samskrita Bharati. 13 Upanishads I taught totally. 13 Upanishads. In Kesari High School I took 10, 11 Upanishads. Completely, if we see the 13 Upanishads, I have completed. Some students have attended even 13 Upanishads. And some of them are listening through CDs, which I have taken previously. Anyhow, they are all going through that Upanishads. That students will receive the teaching perfectly. There is no doubt. Who undergoes that proper systematic listening of the Upanishads, step by step, for them clarity is very clear. Clear clarity. That which is clear only called clarity. Clarity is clear. Vagueless, doubtless knowledge is possible. Therefore, he says, Vedagaha. Vedas also, Vede vartate iti Vedagaha. Vede vartate. Vede means in Veda it is said, in Vedas also, Vedagaha, what is said there? Pranavopastayaha prayaha nirgunaha eva. What are all upasanas mentioned in Veda? Many upasanas, pranavopastayaha. Pranava means Omkara upasana. Wherever Pranava upasana comes in Upanishads, means Veda, Antabhaga, Upanishadic portions, Prayaha means mostly, all of them are, all Upanishads, they are all Nirguna Upastayaha. They are talking about all Brahma, Pranava Upasanas are with regard to Nirguna Brahman, Nirgunaha. Upasakas were mentioned, Pranavopasakas were mentioned in Upanishads. They were all maximum, mostly Nirguna Upasana only. Maximum, mostly. Nirgunaha eva. On Nirguna Brahman only. All are Akaranta Strilinga. Vedagaha, Nirgunaha. Then what about Saguna Upasana? Saguna Upasana also said, but very less. In the second line it says, Kvachit Sagunata api ukta Pranavopasanasya. Pranava Upasanasya. Pranava means Omkara. Prakarshena nuyate iti Pranavaha. Nu dhatu nauti, to glorify, to praise, that which reveals that Brahman is called Pranavaha. Pranava means Omkara. Omkara has got lot of names. Pranava is another name. Omkara is one name, Udgitha is another name. Like that, many names are there. Pranavaha, Prakarshena, Nuyate, that which reveals Bhagavan or Brahman is called Pranavaha. Kvachit Pranavopasanasya Sagunata api. Sagunata means Saguna Ishvara Upasana. Omkar also taken as Saguna Ishvara Upasana sake. Many people take Omkara as the symbol of Saguna Ishvara. Vedantic students, all of us, we take Pradhama Pada, Dvitiya Pada, Vishwataijasa Prajna, that Vichara Rupa Omkara we take. But many people take Omkara as Ishvara, Saguna Ishvara. That's why you can see in Padani temple, even Vadapadani, in any other temple, Omkara, Muruga and Omkara, Tamil Omkara. Tamil letter they put Muruga or Vinayaka or Shiva, because Omkara symbolizes that Lord. Therefore, Sagunopasana api ukta. Sagunata is there. Gunena saha vartate iti saguna. Shantakaram, Bhujagashayanam, Padmanabham, all these are Saguna features. Adharam, Madhuram, Vadanam, Madhuram. These are all Saguna. Nagendraharaya, Trilochanaya, all are Saguna attributes. Tasya bhavaha Sagunata. That attributes, attributed God is also Ukta, that also said through Pranava Upasana. But mostly Nirguna sake only. That is Uttam Adhikari, this is Manda Madhyama Adhikari. So just like in school, colleges, there are bright students, there are dull students. There is a possibility of dull and bright students in the class. Every teacher faces that bright students group and dull students group. So dull students ki coaching class, extra tutorials, tuition. Like that, in Vedanta also same case. There, visibly they bifurcate. Even after class, they will sit back and stay. Here, adella theriyadu. Vedantathila konjam style ah irukom. Periyavanga illaya. All are elders. So we cannot discriminate them. All bright students sit this side, dull that side. We cannot say. Even Guru is not supposed to utter who is bright, who is dull also. Baiti sollakudadu. Vaai pottin appade Guru manasukulla vechikadu. Romba kashtam. Vedanta teacher job is not easy. So in school and principal knows, correspondent knows, everyone knows who is a bright child. Every teacher knows, every faculty of teacher knows who are bright. Even students themselves knows. So, but here it is not like that. Okay, thank God. Okay, children do not have that much complexity. No, elders only have that complexity. And okay, Pranavopasanasya kvachit sagunata api ukta. Next verse, where it is said, what is that Veda, Upanishad Pramanam, Acharya is quoting Prashnopanishad and Kathopanishad in following two verses. Verse 148. Para para brahma rupaha Omkara upavarnitaha Pippaladena munina Satyakamaya pruchate. In Prashna Upanishad, this topic has come. Therefore, the support of Vedas maximum talking about Omkara as Nirguna Brahma Upasana only, where it is said, In Prashnopanishad, that which belongs to Atharvana Veda, I have not taken here, but I took this Upanishad in Tinagar class. So in Prashna Upanishad, Pippaladena Munina Satyakamaya Prichate. Pippalada Muni, the Guru in Prashnopanishad is Pippalada Muni. Pippaladena Munina. By Pippalada Muni, the teacher, the Guru, there he answered to Satyakama. For that Satyakama, Prichate, this Prichate is the noun, it is not verb here. Chaturthi Vibhakti. For Satyakamaya, for Satyakamaya, for Satyakama alone is called Shaibhyaha. Shaibhyaha alone is known as Satyakama. Satyasya Kamaha, Satyakamaha, Tatpurusha Samasya. That is Satyakama. Satyakama asked, Satyaha Vishayaha Kamaha Yasya. For whom Satyam, the truth alone is the Vishayaha, subject matter to know. That he is called Satyakamaha. Satyaha Kamaha Vishayaha Yasya Saha Satyakamaha. Who is desirous of knowing the reality is called Satyakamaha. Satyasya Kamaha Satyakamaya Prichate. Prachidhatu, a noun form here, present active participle Prichan, Prichantau, Prichataha, Prichate, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Satyakamaya Prichate. When that Satyakama asked about this Omkara Upasana, the answer was given by Pippalada Maharshi. Pippaladena Munina. What he said? Upavarnitaha. He explained, he described, he mentioned. What he mentioned? Para apara brahma rupaha omkaraha. Beautiful mantra. Parancha aparancha paraparam parapare. Etadvai Satyakamaya parancha aparamcha brahma yat omkaraha is the mantra. Param Brahma means Nirgunam Brahma. Na Param, na Nirgunam, that is Aparam. Aparam means Sagunam. Aparam Brahma. Parancha, Aparancha. Sagunam Brahma and Nirgunam Brahma. Both of them. Omkaraha Upavarnitaha. Those who want to do Omkara Upasana, is a Saguna Upasaka also can choose Omkara for meditation. Saguna Ishvara meditation sake Omkara Dhyana. Omkara is a pratikam, a symbol. Like Salagrama, when you keep Salagrama, it represents what? Vishnu. Salagrama is equal to Vishnu. Vishnu is equal to Salagrama. Similarly, Omkara means Saguna Ishvara also you can take, Nirguna Ishvara also you can take, but it represents Bhagavan. Either Sagunam va, Nirgunam va, Param va, Aparam va. Param means Nirgunam, Aparam means Sagunam. Parapara Brahma Rupa. Param Brahma, Aparam Brahma. Aparam Brahma is equal to Sagunam Brahma, Param Brahma is equal to Nirgunam Brahma. For Uttama Adhikari is Param Brahma Rupa Omkara Dhyana. That is why sannyasis wherever japam, Omkara japam, Pranava Dhyanam is recommended for sannyasis. Sannyasis are not supposed to do Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam. Sannyas ashrama meant only for Atma Vidya, Atma Dhyanam. Atma Dhyanam sake take Omkara for Nirguna Brahma Upasana. You are supposed to complete Sagunam Brahma in Grihastha Vanaprastha After coming to Sannyas also, Adharam, Madhuram, Vadanam, Madhuran, Kurkan. It is insult for ashramas, 4 ashramas insult. Say Saguna, even Acharya, Sannyasi, Acharyas are doing puja, all those things only for the sake of public, not for their sake. They never do that upasana for their sake, that puja or anything they do only for the sake of humanity. Okay. Now this is clear, Upavarnitaha. Very nice. The more you are listening, it is more clear. No? Very, very clear. I am enjoying. I know you are also enjoying. Next one. This is a Prashnopanishad quotation. Now let us go to next quotation from Khathopanishad. Nachiketa also asked, for Nachiketa's sake also, Yamadharmaraja recommends the same upasana, Pranava upasana. 149. Etadalambanam jnatva yo yadichhati tasya tat iti proktam yamenapi pruchhate nachiketase. A side point, just it came in my mind, thoughts. I cannot resist in front of you anything. Just sometimes I blabber also sometimes. Blabber in the sense which are not connected to the subject. I go out of track and I get some students' endorsement also. Swamini, you have to say like that only, they say. What I am telling, to get clarity in Shastra, we have to study from a guru. Saguna Ishvara Upasana, Nirguna Ishvara Upasana, what Saguna Ishvara Upasana gives, what Nirguna Upasana gives, what Saguna Ishvara Upasana cannot give, what Nirguna Upasana is meant for. All these subject matters, when you get clarity, you tell me. Without study in Shastra, no one can understand what is religion, even religion. They are all blindly practicing. Whoever, our Hindus only, so-called orthodox people, whatever sadhanas they do, just blind practice. The blind practice keeps them blind only and ignorance only. How Shastra serves like a beacon light it is. That's why Shastra considers, Shankaracharya considers, the person, whoever is not a Shrotriya, is almost a Jantu. This is a side point. Vidyaranya, the topic illa. Because you must know the importance of the study of Shastra. The more reverence of that Shravanam has to increase in your mind. Never take it as granted, never gloss over, never be complacent about Shravanam. Never compromise with Shravanam. Paravala, Shravanam Pandana. No, you are nowhere without Shravanam. You are nowhere without Shravanam. Shravanam Iranda, you are blessed. Without Shravanam of Upanishad Shastra, you are continuing in ignorance. 99.9999% of people continuing in blind ignorance because of not knowing the Shravanam, the listening to Shastra, how much important. Gurus are also not available for that much tirelessly teaching Shastra to the core. Gurus are not available. Of course, students are also not available to teach. Somebody must be there to teach, somebody must be there to listen. Facing lot of audience, one has to stand up to that Shastra. Otherwise, this depth of teaching, the core to the subject will go away, fade away. Will fade away, natural. That is why I want to emphasize on that importance of Shravanam. All these are very nice to listen when you understand how the religion, how the Vedas are designed, how the practice, very beautiful design for human upliftment. What Nachiketa asked Yamadharmaraja, please tell me what is the truth, how to understand the truth, he asked Nachiketase. This is also Chaturthi Vibhakti. For Nachiketas, when he asked, Pruchate Nachiketase, for that Nachiketa who asked the question to Yamadharmaraja, Yamena api proktam, Lord Yama also said, Namak Yamadharmaraja nale bhayam. Our great teacher, Vedanta teacher, the best teacher. I love Yamadharmaraja. Best teacher of Vedanta. If you study Kathopanishad, really you develop a lot of reverence to Yamadharmaraja. How great Acharya he is. And he appreciates Nachiketa also. Nachiketa se prichate. For that Nachiketa who asked the question to him, Yamadharmaraja, Yamena proktam. Yama said, what he said? First line is the quotation. The whole mantra in Kathopanishad it comes. Etad alambanam sreshtham, etad alambanam param, etad alambanam gnatva, yo yadichati tasya tad. So, first two lines he has not given, next two lines he has given. Etad alambanam sreshtham. Yamadharmaraja said, O Nachiketas, Omkara alambanam is the best alambanam among so many alambanams. In Salagrama, Shivalinga cannot talk about Param. Salagrama also a pratikam only. Shivalinga is also a pratikam only, symbols only. But what Yamadharmaraja said, Etad alambanam sreshtham, the best among symbols. Etad alambanam sreshtham. Why? Etad alambanam param. This alambanam is the alambanam which talks about even Brahman, Nirguna Brahman, Supreme Brahman. Etad alambanam jnatva. By knowing this alambanam, Omkara, jnatva, by knowing this, yaha yatu ichchati tasya tat. Whether he wants aparam Brahma, he can attain aparam Brahma. That Ishvara, Prapti, Darshana Prapti, Brahman, he goes to Brahmaloka, then he goes to Atma Jnanam slowly. Or, yad ichchati, Param Brahma ichchati chet, Param Brahma Prapti. No chet, Aparam Brahma Prapti. Aparam Brahma Prapti means what? Sagunam Brahma. Again he has to travel, he has to go there. Inga Sagunam Brahma class ella postpone panni, anda koilukku poi, inda koilukku poi suttinde irukka. என்ன இருக்க வேதாந்தா கிளாஸில் ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ கூட இருக்காது. Deliberately we won't keep photos. Understand? We don't want to keep any photo. That is why we are boldly, happily conducting Vedanta class in Mailapur club. Club lo enna Vedanta class, people may think. I told you, I interpreted the club. It is one of the ayudham of the Lord. In the beginning of when we are starting class, I interpreted what is the meaning of club. Therefore, wherever you are, yad ichchati tasya tat, whatever you want. What I want to say, keeping one form or other, one acharya, one photos or all these things, either it become cult or it become again saguna, inferior, aparam Brahma only. Already Aparam Brahma mind lo appadiye entrenched. Poi inge kuda vechita nenchukongle adilendhu velila varamata people. That's why we in our Vedanta classes anywhere we don't keep deliberately, because we want to uplift the students. Now you see, without any Krishna photo, yesterday we felt Krishna presence or not in the class. Not by just as an object outside. You have to see that Krishna in your hridayam. When we listen about Krishna's words, we feel the presence of Krishna in our heart. We feel the presence of that consciousness being I am all pervading. That's why the most of the time you do objectification. Either Guru photo or any Acharya photo, any one's photo or Bhagavan's photo, you are objectifying. The more you are objectifying, you are again going downwards only. Understand? There is a lot more to think about all these things. This is personally I am sharing. Don't go and tell outside. Okay? This is personally I am sharing with you because you are all advanced students. You will understand all the nuances of and at the same time we are glorifying the Saguna Bhakti. It is like a banana skin. Saguna Ishvara Bhakti is like a banana skin like. It has to ripen in Saguna Bhakti, banana skin, then sweet banana is available. Nirguna Brahma Jnanam. Like that, you have to intellectually drill the people, not objectification. Intellectually, you have to drill. Ellaru intellect kulla over boring madri, over mission poti, and then a mission pump. Adu enna pannuvaru? Drilling. Huh? Driller, adu driller illa, that per ke adu illa. Electrician and plumber all will come and do that, no? Current, electricity correction kodutittu எது சொல்லணும்னு பயப்படுறேன் நீங்க எல்லாம். இட் இஸ் நாட் ட்ரில்லர். அதுக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு பேர் இருக்கு, நான் எனக்கு மனசில் வர மாட்டேங்க. ஓகே, anyhow, leave it. Now come to the point. Etadalambanam jnatva. Having known the Saguna Ishvara, who is Saguna Ishvara? Karanam Brahma, Maya Sahitam Brahma, who is the Srishti Sthiti Laya Karta. Like that, one should know the Saguna Brahma as Jagat Karanam. And he is the creator, he is the sustainer, he is the destroyer. Develop love towards Sagunam Brahma and attain Krama Mukti. Or Akaranam Brahma, Vivartakaranam Brahma, that Brahma I am, Aham Brahmasmi, over job, Sadhya Mukti, goodbye. Both the ways you are benefited. Jnatva. Aparam Brahma Jnatva, Krama Muktihi Brahmaloke. Param Brahma Jnatva, Sadhya Muktihi, Atra Brahma Samashnate. Yadichati, Tasya Tat. Ivanakku edu venumo, adi prapti. I don't want to wait up to long kalpanta. I want here. Those students are all ready for that. Next verse. Iti va marane chasya. Okay. Iha va marane chasya. Brahmaloke thava bhavet. Brahma sakshat kruti samyak. Upasinasya nirgunam. Nirgunam samyak upasinasya. Now he is consolidating. Kathopanishad, Prashnopanishad, many other Upanishads are talking about Omkara Upasana. For Saguna Upasana also, Nirguna Brahma Upasana also. Therefore, whatever they want, he gives the three options here now. Ihava, Iha, Maraneva. Iha means in this Janma, Nirgunam Brahma Upasana one can do and do Vichara and attain Sadhya Mukti. Ihava. The one option. First option. Brahma Sakshat Kritihi, the attainment of Brahman, claiming I am Brahman, that is possible. Ihava, either in this Janma, that is also possible. Ahangraha Upasana it is. Aham iti eva vibhavaye bhavani. I am you, you are me, Lalita. Oh mother, Lalita, you are not different from me. How? That is why Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama, chanting and all that punya brings one day to Panchadashi class. That is Saguna Brahma Upasana. That's why I always admire Mylapore students. the chanting, the way they do from the beginning. Past 20 years I am taking in Mylapore. Past 20 years. Because 2 times we have completed Bhagavad Gita. That itself took 12 years. After Bhagavad Gita we have started other texts. So here the students chanting, beautiful chanting. That's why I taught here Taittiriya Upanishad chanting. The students, when we were learning Taittiriya Upanishad, when I was teaching Taittiriya here, I used to teach half an hour before Taittiriya Upanishad. I hope some of you remember. And the chanting, the way these class students especially they do, beautiful chanting. I love these students especially. In Mylapore annale music annale Madras, Mylapore, music, moksha, ella connected. Interpretation. So the chanting is the way these students chant beautiful, because they have habit of chanting Lalita Sahasranama, Vishnu Sahasranama. In this area, students are very beautifully accustomed to chanting from childhood. That is why they are able to chant. Of course, that pronunciation and all I used to teach them a lot, kakagaga, that pronunciation and all. But they picked up. And Taittiriya chanting, Stotramala chanting, any chanting, beautiful chanting, very nice to listen. Already I was a musician. If any apashruti goes, I cannot tolerate it. So that's why I enjoy these class students. Nowadays all are old, students become old, not able to chant. Those days, we used to chant Stotramala fully, beautiful chanting they used to do. Every student, very, very nice chanting. Till today I admire and appreciate that chanting of the students here. What I want to say, Lalita Sahasranama, any Sahasranama, Stotramala, even our Omkara chanting, what we are doing, these are all practices, all the way it takes us to that Nirgunam Brahma. All the way. That's why Iha Nirgunam Vastihi Brahma Sakshatkritihi Bhavet. Or second option, Marane che asya. In Javalopanishad, I told you some people go to Kashi because they have that belief Lord Shiva will come and utter that Tattvamasi, Tattvamasi, Tattvamasi. There is a lot of belief. In Upanishads also it is given Javalopanishad. So you can go there at the fag end of your life. Everybody pushes you from the family. And going, staying there, waiting for Shiva. Almost at the fag end of life, the Shiva comes when this person leaving the body. Because of the Kshetras, Mahatmyavadi. Once you are in Kashi, don't plan for Kashi now. Okay. That is only for Manda Madhyamadhikaris, I said. இது சொன்னாலும் கஷ்டம் சுவாமினி. சிவன் வந்து சொன்னா நன்னா இருக்குமே உங்களை விட என்ன இருக்கலாம், அந்த மாதிரி டிசைர் கூட இருக்கலாமே. அந்த சிவன் வந்து தத்துவமசி தத்துவமசி என்று சொல்லுவார். வாட் இஸ் தட் நேம்? அவிமுக்தேஸ்வர். Previous class only we saw that Avimukteshwar, and he tells Tattvamasi, Tattvamasi, Maraneva. What happens? Straight away Kailasam, Moksha. Brahma Sakshat Kritihi Bhavet. Or third option, Brahmaloke Athava Asya Brahma Sakshat Kritihi. Anyhow you have to say Aham Brahmasmi. Tappichikave mudiyadu. Adu inge pandalam illayo. So Brahma Sakshat Kritihi means Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam. That's all. Brahmaloke Athava. Third option is in Brahmaloka, he Brahmaji will teach all same Upanishads. Whatever I taught here, 13 Upanishads, he will teach there. Brahmaloke Samyak Upasinasya Nirgunam. Nirgunam Upasinasya. The one who practices that Nirguna Upasana, either in this Janma, here itself he will attain Brahma Jnanam, Jivan Mukti. Or in Kashi he chants somewhere at the end of life, he says sometimes at the end of life also some people get moksha. ஆத்மஜானம். சம் பீப்புள் ஏன்னா கிளாஸில் டியூப்லைட் வந்து ரொம்ப லேட்டாக ஒரு வாட்டி பேர்ன் ஆகும். போட்டு இப்போ காலையில் போட்டால் நைட்டு போட்டால் நெக்ஸ்ட் டே மார்னிங்கு இது என்ன இப்போ டியூப்லைட் வருதுன்னா நேற்று நைட்டு போட்டோம்ப்பா, இப்போ நேற்று நைட்டு போட்டால் இப்போ எரியறது என்னன்னா அவன் ஸ்லோவாக எரியும். அது மாதிரி சில பேருக்கு மரணேவா. ஆமாம், சுவாமினி சொன்னதெல்லாம் அப்போ ஞாபகம் வரும். அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் லைஃப் அப்போ வந்து அஹம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி போயிடும் பிராணம். அப்படி வரலாம். பிரம்ம சாட்சாத் பிரதி பவேத் ஆர் பிரம்மலோகே. அது இது இல்லை ஃபோன் பண்ணி பிரம்மலோகம். ஓகே, தேர்ஃபோர் பரம் சேத் ஞாத்தவ்யம், அபரம் சேத் பிராப்தவ்யம். அபரம் சேத் நீ சகுணம் பிரம்மன்னா பிராப்தவ்யம். ஐ வாண்ட் டு கெட், ஐ வாண்ட் டு மெர்ஜ் வித் பகவான், ஐ வாண்ட் டு மெர்ஜ். பிராப்தவ்யம். யூ ஹாவ் டு ரீச் அண்ட் யூ ஹாவ் டு ட்ராவல். யூ ஹாவ் டு அவர் வரணும், நீ போகணும், இதெல்லாம் சேரணும், காத்துட்டே இருக்கணும். இன்னும் வரலையே, இன்னும் எப்போ வருவாரோ அனி வெயிட் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும். அவர் வந்து தரிசனம் கொடுப்பார், அப்புறம் என்னை கூட்டிகிட்டு போவார் புஷ்பக விமானத்தில். அப்புறம் சேத் பிராப்தவ்யம், பரம் சேத் ஞாத்தவ்யம். புரியுறதா? பரம் பிரம்மா, நிர்குணம் பிரம்மா, யூ மஸ்ட் நோ. Aparam Brahma means what? Even Chagaraja, Mirabai, all of them, Aparam, Praptam, they got Darshanam of the Lord. Later, they have all got Kramamukti according to Shastra. That is the meaning we have to understand. அவருக்கு ராமர் வந்து தரிசனம் கொடுத்துட்டாரே, என்ன தரிசனம்? அபரம் பிரம்மா, பரம் பிரம்மா. அபரம் பிரம்மா. Any form is limited. Any form is finite. Any form can never be infinite. That is the law. Therefore, what? Samatha next slokam parunga. 151. Okay. Arthoyavatmagitayam api spashtamudiritah vicharakshama atmanam upasiteti santatam. In between every sloka, I get some extra side points. All points I don't reveal, I filter inside. Some points I express. Some people say, suppose one person say going to ocean and take bath, dip in ocean. Waves are coming, lot of waves. Let waves stop, then I will take dip in that. I'll take bath and everybody. All waves can be stopped near the ocean at any moment. For a moment without waves, can you wait for that time to take bath? Possible? Not possible. Then what you have to do? As the wave comes, time also you have to dip and come back. How, Swamini? Wave comes, it takes me back and it won't take. You sit down. Wave comes and goes on the top and goes back. It will not take you. At the wave, when it is coming, you have to press your legs. And don't go for bath. Now I'm just... You just press your feet inside and sit. You don't stand. If you stand, the wave force will attack you and you will fall. You will lose the balance. Then you have to sit, allow the wave to go from the top. Once the wave goes back, you stand up. Like that. Kada nanna irukku. Drishtanta is nice. What for I am telling, our family problems also, relations, members, financial, one-to-one relation, either family members, outside people, one problem always come like one tidal wave. Tidal wave comes. Don't wait for that. Let all responsibilities finish. Let my daughter get married. Let my son get married. Afterwards, I will come with you only, Swamini. You don't come with me. Because many students say like that. Never wait for that. Let me see. Nallanadu Parunga Swamini. What Nallanadu? Whenever you want to study, that is the Nallanadu. That is the best time, right Muhurtam. Don't postpone. Better never postpone. Now here, whatever praptam available, let me take. Never postpone. Who knows tomorrow, next moment, what is going to happen to this body or to me or to members, anywhere, anytime. No postponement. This is Udyamam. This is called Udyamam. Udyamam means what? Effort. Now here itself I want to put effort. Never postpone that. But some people postpone. Not like you, all people. Okay. Atha ayam Atmagitayamapi. Avariki innum pattale. Kathopanishad, Prashnopanishad, not enough. I will tell you Atmagita. There is another Gita called Atmagita. In the footnote they have given Atma Gita or Atma Purana 131. They themselves written here probably by Shankarananda or Vidyashankara, the pontiff of Sringeri before Bharati Tirtha and Vidyaranya. So before Vidyaranya, Bharati, there was an Acharya. So he might have written that text Atma Gita, like in that it is said this way. The Atma Gita also, Atma Gitayam api Spashtam Udiritaha. It is very clearly said. What said? Ayam Arthaha, the same idea. What is same idea? Omkara Upasana, either Saguna Upasana or Nirguna Upasana. If it is Saguna Upasana, he will go to Brahmaloka and attain Krama Mukti. Or if it is Nirguna Upasana, here itself in this Janma, he does Upasana, means here Vichara. Vichara, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. If he does that, he attains Sajjo Mukti. This is very clearly said. And here our topic is Vichara Akshamaha. We are talking about Manda Madhyama Adhikari. Yes? This Upasana, Samvadi Brahmarupa Nididhyasanam is for Manda Madhyama Adhikaris. Vichara Akshamaha, the one who is incapable of. Akshamaha, the one who is incapable of. Vichare Akshamaha. Incapable of doing enquiry, Mahavakya Vichara, Bhagatyaga Lakshana, all Srishti Prakriya, Panchakosha Viveka Prakriya, Shariratraya Vilakshana, Sakshi Atma, that Prakriya, Avasthatraya Prakriya, all these are not possible for all people. Atmanam Upasita iti. Those people, sadhakas, can do Atma Upasana. What Atma Upasana? Aham Brahmasmi, I am Shariratraya Vilakshana Sakshi, Pradhama Pada, Dvitiya Pada, Trutiya Pada, Vilakshana Sakshi. This is called Atma Upasana. Nirvana Shatkam is like Atma Upasana. All some many Nididhyasana shlokas are Atma Upasana. That Atma Upasana, Upasita, it is a commandment like. One can do that. Santatam, all the time. Pashyan Shrunvan, Sprishan Jigran, walking time, eating time, talking time, all the time. At the back of the mind, like musician, back of the mind, Tambura, sa, pa, sa, that continuous like that. For Vedanta student, Aham Brahmasmi, feeding the child, grandson, Aham Brahmasmi. Taking care of mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, some elder people in the family, Aham Brahmasmi, One hand is in that Vyavaharika Prapancha world. The old people at home, they are there. And we are also old. Help Aham Brahmasmi Shruti. Tambura is going on at the back of the mind. Santatam. Therefore, you cannot say, I don't have time, Swamini, to do Nididhyasana. Is it time? Ella time, only time. Is it not? Any time is your time only. Why special time you require? That is only for samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasana. அது முடியல நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன், அது கூட முடியல, வீட்டில் முடியாது, ஏன்னா கிரகஸ்தன். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்? பிரம்மாபியாச ரூப நிதித்தியாசன, பஷ்யன் ஸ்ருண்வன் ஸ்புஷன் விக்ரம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். சந்ததம்னா எல்லாம் முடியும். இப்போ சந்ததம் ஹவு டு ஜஸ்டிஃபை மியூசிக்? சந்ததம்னா சுவாமினி இதெல்லாம் நடக்காத காரியம். சந்ததம்னா முடியவே முடியாது. Children are there, grandchildren are there, responsibilities are there. Asal I cannot remember you asal, so totally forgotten. Sometimes we forget Swamini also. Some relatives comes and they stay for 1 week, enough to lose our strength. The battery charge gone totally. Nillana. Weak battery po. Enna vandradhu? Not like that. If you listen Shastra, it will never go away from you. Santatam. At that time only you have to bring the Shastra to surface. When you are fine, everything is fine. Aham Brahmasmi, no use. When everything, Vyavaharika, Prapancha, Anatma is attacking me, provoking me, relations, discussions, topics, trying to take me to Anatma side, I have to invoke Atma. Oh, this is Mithya. This is Anatma. I need not disturb by this. This is an opportunity for me to test myself, how far I can do Mithyatma Nischayam of this Anatma at this point. When something comes to the body, some pain, some illness, or something near and dear people are suffering, at that time I have to invoke. That is the real application of Shastra Jnana. Aham Brahmasmi Jnana. When everything is fine, I am Aham Brahmasmi only. It will not disturb. But when things are going haywire, Anatma Prapancha is pulling me towards that side, that time also it cannot disturb me. I am like a lotus leaf. Atma Swarupam Aham. Who can touch me? All these are just coming in me and going in me only. I am not disturbed. That is the benefit of Atma Jnana. Next verse. So Atma Gita, further he continues the same idea in 152 also. Okay. साक्षात् कर्तुमशक्तोऽपि चिन्तयेन्मामशङ्कितः कालेनानुभवारूढः भवेयं फलितो ध्रुवम्. This is one occasion where Atma is talking. You don't find anywhere the verse Atma is talking to you now. That's why in brackets they put the self as if says, as though Atma is talking. Mam ashankitaha. Me, the Atma, without any doubt, ashankitaha san, chintayet, without any doubt, can I get Atma Jnanam, is it possible for me in this life? Whatever Guru is telling, not able to grasp, I am not. These all doubts, leave it. Who says? Krishna says illa, Atma says no. Iduvarakella Krishna says and solluven. Illaya? Acharya says, if not Vidyaranya is telling, Atma is telling. Without any doubt, chintayet kim atmanam, chintayet atmanam. May you think about Atma as what? Satyam jnanam anantam brahma yo veda nihitam guhayam parame vyoman chintayet. Ahamannam 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 chintayet. Aham rikshasya reriva kirti prishtham gireriva chintayet. Like that you think. मय्येव सकलं जातं मयि सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितं चिन्तयेत् आत्मानं चिन्तयेत् आत्मा इज शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वरूपः नित्य शुद्ध नित्य बुद्ध नित्य मुक्त स्वरूपः आत्मा अहमस्मि चिन्तयेत् आत्मस्वरूपं मम स्वरूपम् इति चिन्तयेत् वितौट एनी डाउट आत्मा इज रियली ओके साक्षात् कर्तुम् अशक्तः अपि even that person who is not able to claim I am Brahman while Guru is teaching in the class, he is not able to grasp immediately, or by any other sadhana also he is not able to get that owning up capacity is not coming, claiming is not coming. Parvala, don't worry, without any doubt, continue that chintanam. Then what happens? Kalena anubhava rudha. Slowly by the time passes, Kalena anubhava rudha san. Because of anubhava, practice, what happens? Dhruvam kalitaha bhaveyam. Definitely that person gets that aham brahmasmi jnanam. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.